Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, my name is Nishitha. I would love for you guys to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. In today's video, I'm going to do review and swatches of Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. So they have been out for a while and I didn't want to purchase them online because if I didn't like the colors or if I didn't like the formula itself, there is no way I can send it back. So I just wanted them to launch at a store so I can go in and try them out on my lips and see which colors complements my skin tone really well. So they recently launched at ULTA and I was really happy that I can finally try them out, put them on my lips and see if they complement my skin tone really well or not. So I bought few colors which I thought would really complement tan and medium skin tones. So if you guys want to know what all colors I picked up and my thoughts on those liquid lipsticks, then please keep watching. So I got 5 of her velvet liquid lipsticks and then I got 2 of her lip kits. I wanted to get her perfect red lip kit as well, but that was out of stock. So I'm going to just swatch these lipsticks for you guys. First I'm going to start off with the review. First we're going to talk about the lip kits, then I'm going to talk about the velvet lipsticks. So in the lip kits, you get a lip liner and the matching liquid lipstick. So the formula of the lip liners is very smooth and buttery. It comes in a pencil form like standard lip liners which you have to sharpen. But it's not very stiff. Like the formula is kind of smooth so that you can use the lip liner as a lipstick on its own. So it's not just to line your outer lips, but you can use this to fill in your entire lips. The lipstick that I'm wearing right now is Kristen Lipliner, just the lip liner on its own. I really love the lip liners. I can feel their presence, but they're not really heavy on my lips. They don't tug at my lips when I apply them. And they stay on for a really long time as well. So the color here represents the color inside. That's one thing that I look for in a packaging, because if I look at the lip liner, I need to know which color it is. I don't have to open it up and see what a lip shade that is. So that's a good thing about the packaging. And the liquid lipstick, this is how the packaging looks like. Let's look at the applicator. It's kind of like a slanted edge applicator, as you can see. Oh no, I don't think you can see. And it is very easy to apply the lipstick as well because of the point, slanted edge. You can just, get right in the corners of your lips. So the consistency of this lipsticks is almost runny. It's like a very thin formula. So if you tilt the bottle, the lipstick will drop down. So when you apply the liquid lipstick, they look a little bit satiny, but then they are going to dry down to a complete matte finish. But to be honest, I like the formula of her lip liners better than the liquid lipsticks because the liquid lipsticks are a little bit dry. So make sure you apply a good moisturizing lip balm underneath. The lip liners that you get are a little bit darker than the lipstick itself. So they're meant to, line your lips and fill them in and then go on top with the liquid lipstick. I actually prefer that. I always prefer my lip liners to be a little bit darker than the lipstick that I'm going to apply. So let's move on to the velvet lipsticks. These are not as matte as the liquid lipsticks itself, so they kind of have this nice satin finish. They do transfer a little bit when you kiss, but they're not going to disappear from your lips. Even though they transfer, you can still see the lipstick on your lips for a really long time. These are not going to last as long as the matte liquid lipsticks itself, but these are pretty long wearing as well, and these are much more comfortable than her matte lipsticks. So the opacity of these lipsticks is really great. Even with the lip liners and with the liquid lipsticks, one layer is all you need to get a nice opaque application. You can layer them a little bit. They do layer well, but for the formula itself, I don't prefer layering them because then they can dry out my lips even more. So if you want something very comfortable, I would say try out her velvet liquid lipsticks. But if you want the lasting power, then I would say get the lip kits. So the consistency of these velvet lipsticks is moussey. It's not as runny or liquidy as the matte liquid lipsticks. So that's the review. Now I'm gonna jump to the swatches.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I don't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
that brings us to the end of this review. I really hope the swatches were helpful. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite color. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.